Hey friends, if you wish to use the sniping tool in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's very easy. Search for sniping tool in the Windows search bar and open the sniping tool. It has two options. The first one is to take a screenshot. So use this tool and click on new, and then you can take a screenshot. The other option in this sniping tool is to record the screen. So I'll show you how to record the screen as well. Take the recorder and then select new. Select the path which you the area which you wish to record. Click on start. In 3 seconds it will start recording. You can also change the time for recording, and then click on the stop recording button. These recordings are saved in the video section in the file explorer under the screen recordings folder. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.